Hello, welcome to my channel Psychometric Solution. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to calculate the Z-score in the SPSS software. But before this, let me explain what is Z-score. It is very important for the beginner to know the basic terminologies related to statistics, and if you have noticed in each and every video of mine, I give such explanation so that it can help the beginners to learn the basics of the statistics. So a Z-score, which are also known as standardized scores, and the Z-scores are those scores that have been given a common standard. This standard is a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. Contrary to what many people believe, Z-scores are not necessarily normally distributed. A standardized Z-score tells us how many standard deviations above or below the mean a single case in a distribution is located. The Z-score can be interpreted in different ways, but the general rule of thumb is that the Z-score is positive if the value lies above the mean, and it is negative if the values lies below the mean. The Z-scores lies between the plus or minus 3, or it can be above this 3 value. It means that if any variable having a z-score of 3 or above the 3, it means that this value is showing some problem or aberrance in that variable and it need to be investigated further. So let's come to the SPSS. You can see here we have the hypothetical data of 4 variables, and in order to calculate z-score of this data, click on the descriptive and enter all of these variables, and here you can see save standardized value as variable. Click on this and then click on OK. So here we have the z-scores. Now this z-score has multiple uses, like it can be used for detection of the univariate outliers. The z-scores are also used in multiple regression. While before running the regression analysis, the variables are converted into standardized z-score in order to minimize the multicollinearity. So in my next video, I'm going to explain the uses of the Z-score, particularly in detecting outliers and its use in the multiple regression for minimizing the multicollinearity.